everybody, welcome to a sunny Skegness. Well, should be, shouldn't it? Yeah, it's been raining all morning, so what we've come to do today is go on the new Big Ben. I've got a special guest with me here today, so Russell Family Rambles! You might recognise Luke. He does all the stuff, Fantasy Island, all the fun fair stuff and that, and he's come to join me today to go on Big Ben. So some of you have seen it before, I bet, on the news and on YouTube, because a lot of people have put it out there, but we're going to do our own little thing, aren't we?
We are.
Because you're scared stiff of this, aren't you?
I am. If anyone's watched my channel before, I'm a little bit nervous with swing rides.
So am I.
But it's about conquering your fears, isn't it?
Yeah, Well, last time I was on one, I was in hospital the next day, so I'm going for it. I don't care. I don't care.
You're braver than you're braver than me.
I don't care. But I've had the drone up as well. So I actually put the drone up yesterday. So I'm going to do like shots of us going up and down. Well, you'll see it going up and down and in the air from a distance and stuff like that. So we're going to try and make it a little bit different, just like going on it and going round. And Luke's going to be screaming as well, I reckon.
I think I will be.
Yeah. I'll probably get up there and I'll probably be a bit scared. I'm not too sure.
I have been told the view is amazing. So
yeah, well, I've looked at the footage from my drone and it is so high. The big wheel at Botton's here looks so small, you know, and the people, you can hardly see the people because it's that high. So we're going to go on it. It's £10 a go, and this is all we're going on today as well. So and hopefully it's not going to start raining when we get up there as well. So Luke's going to put it on his channel as well, aren't you? You're going to do a little video, and I'll be putting this out as well. So also, don't forget, like, subscribe, give us a thumbs up to both of us as well, yeah? So, right, come on, let's go and face the fears and get on this ride, eh? Yeah, here we go. Come on, boy. Come on, son. Let's go.
Right, Dad.
Don't be too scared. We'll be all right. We'll be all right. Don't worry about it.
You are going to hold my hand.
I'll hold your hand all the way. Don't worry about it. Yeah. Someone's doing my camera. Right, Luke, we've got our tokens. This is it, boy. We're going for it. You ain't called me Dad today, have you? He normally calls me Dad. Right, here we go. So guys, as you can see, we're going right up there, and we're going to see a lot of Skegness, Ingle Mills and surrounding areas. Right, so we're just getting seated. And we're getting strapped in. Thank you. How you feeling, Luke? Yeah, what?
I am.
It's bricking it. I don't know how to feel. I feel a little bit nervous. I just don't know. So we're just getting ready. I'm going to try and put music over the top of it because it is really, really loud. But you've got to come to the Botton's Fun Fair and try this ride out, yeah? So if you are fun seekers, you've never been on before, this is the ride to be on.
If I can do it, you guys can do it.
Luke is really nervous. I'm not showing that I'm nervous. So I don't know how I'm going to feel, but we'll wait and see. You'll see my face. You might see me go a little bit white. You might be whiter than you. I don't know yet. But yeah, we're going to give it a go. And it's not raining now, thank God. So the music's really loud as well. Right, we're going, guys. The countdown's on. We're going to be lifting up in a few seconds. See, we're going high. So what we'll do, I'll spin you around.
We're not even the core of the way.
Just check out the views, and we're not even
Oh,
a quarter of a way up. So 80 metres high. 80 metres high this is. You can see all of Barnes Fun Fair, the whole of Skegness as well. We're going to see Skegness and probably Stanton as well at this height. And probably a few planes going over.
I'm going to let you do all the talking on this video.
No, you can do, go on Luke, you can do some talking. Let Luke do some talking, shall we?
Oh, I don't know what to say. He's high.
Hey!
Oh,
Oh!
oh, oh my.
Let me just spin us round. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Just check out the views. I tell you what, this is fast as well, isn't it?
It is.
Really fast.
Oh my.
Really
you
fast.
Can see Odyssey. You can see Odyssey. Oh. We're at the top.
Are you all right, Luke?
Oh, we're not
Are
at
you
the
all
top.
right? We're not at the top yet.
Oh,
we're getting
I'll
there.
Show you everyone. I'll show
We're
you.
getting there.
Oh, I think I'm showing you.
Wow. Oh, wow. Look down now, guys. Just look at the height we are. This is so high.
We're flying high. Flying right up to.
I tell you what, it is a good view. I like it. I'll just show you down at the bottom there.
Neil,
You can just see.
Would you kindly do an introduction to my channel?
Yeah, of course I will.
Oh, then.
What did you want to say?
Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another Fun Fair video.
Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another Fun Fair video.
Oh, it's stopping.
Right, so we've stopped.
Oh.
We've stopped right at the top.
Oh.
So let me spin you around again.
Oh.
So as you can see, we're right at the top. Just check out the views down here. So we've actually got the big wheel there. Look how high we are from the big wheel, and we've got the pier. Paisley and Kyle are at the front filming as well. But just look at the go-kart track, how small it looks. So we're just going down. So Luke's trying to do his video as well. But check it out, eh? You've got to try this. You've got to try it. So it's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. Really good.
I'll go through that with you when I'm on the ride. Oh, it's speeding up again. Oh!
Oh, Luke, it's getting faster now. Oh, what do you reckon? Wow. I tell you what, it's a good job it's not raining, isn't it, eh? This is good. I like it. Are you all right? Are you all right, Luke?
The view's amazing.
Yeah.
That view, I would, you know, I'm going to say it when I get off the ride, but the view up there is amazing.
It is.
And you're seeing everything.
You are. It's good. It's really good.
My hair's a mess.
Yeah, my hair's a mess as well. I knew I shouldn't have been to the hairdresser this morning. Yeah, where's it gone? It's on that donkey. It's on the donkey down there. There you go then, guys. Big Ben at Skegness at Barnes Fun Fair.
You need to get on it.
Yeah.
And you do.
You need to get here, girl, innit? Yeah. So we're doing 2 videos here at the same time.
Ready to like them both. There we go.
Let me just show you Jordan. So this is Jordan down here, look. So big thank you to Jordan. I can't see him now. Big thank you for Jordan for getting us on here. He's hiding behind the pillar now. Right, we're going to get off now. We're going to have a chat. We're going to tell you what we all thought. Luke, we're all right, son. We're all right, yeah. My legs are like jelly. I don't know about yours, but
I need a beer.
I'm too old for this. I am too old for this. But what do you reckon, Luke?
Do you know what? I'm going to say highly recommend you getting on it, because it's not going to be here.
Yeah,
Like, well, it's going to go to
Hong Kong for the winter.
Yeah.
But they're going to try and get it back for next year. So hopefully it will be back next year. But it is a good ride.
It is a very, very good ride.
I was really scared. I didn't show it. Luke was terrified as well. But once you're up there, the views are amazing.
You're seeing for miles. Well, you saw Fantasy Island. You saw. I don't know. I just saw that, and I looked up and looked back down again. But
on a clear day, I bet you'll see Stanton. Easy.
Yeah, you would. Yeah,
easy,
yeah.
easy. So yeah, guys, we've got to also thank as well. We've got to thank Jordan for organising all this for us, because without Jordan, we wouldn't be doing this sort of stuff. So yeah, big thank you for Jordan. He's a brilliant guy. Helps all the YouTubers out and all the content creators out as well. So yeah,
they have got an event coming on the 9th of September, so everyone needs to get down here and support Bottons as well.
We're going to have lasers, all sorts of stuff happening as well. A lot of content creators as well will be coming. So if you're one of them content creators that actually do loads of work at Bottons Funfair where you've been actually filming, you might be able to come and do loads of filming. Did he say for free or not? I'm not too sure.
Know.
We've just got to find that out. But yeah, so if you are a content creator and you're watching this and you've done loads of videos before, I think you're actually invited. But you've got to make sure you've actually done loads of videos out on YouTube. Yeah. Right. We're going to say goodbye. I think we do need a beer, don't we? Eh?
We do.
I'm not drinking now, you know.
I thought you were going to buy me the drink, aren't you?
No, you're going to buy me a drink. Yeah. I said if I go on the ride with you, you was going to buy me a drink.
I'll buy you half.
Off? And a slush puppy.
Yeah, go on then.
A slush puppy. Right, we're going. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget, like, subscribe, give us that thumbs up come on, say it.
Like, comment, subscribe. Oh, look, yeah, sorry. My channel is Russell Family Rambles. I normally have Amber and Dolly with me, but they're enjoying a drink over there, which I think we're going to go.
Yeah. Neil R's Greatest Adventures, as you know. Right, nice seeing you guys. We'll see you in the next one. See you later. Come on, Luke. Let's go and have that beer.
Right.
A traveller bold and free, from the heart of Northumberland to the sea, exploring Skegness, the seaside breeze, from Lincolnshire's towns to the salty seas. He's the one who takes the lead in places where the waves do sweep. With every step and every view, Neil R's adventures always renew.